Hello friends, welcome to CyberCAD Solutions. I am Prabhu and in this session I would like to explain how to create a dynamic window block so that we can use the same window for 0.9 meter, 1 meter, 1.2 meter like that. So let us create a normal block first of all, then we will turn it into dynamic block. So I am taking block command and giving its name as dynamic window and taking insertion point on the bottom left over here and then select objects, all of them, and say OK. So now we have got this window block. This is a normal one. Let us add some dynamic features to this. So select the block, right click and take block editor option. First of all, I would like to add one linear parameter over here. So let's go to parameters and take linear parameter. So I would like to pick 2 points on the width of the window. So my parameter is this, which I am going to use to change the width of the window. Let us select this parameter and change its name to width, and the minimum distance should be 0.9 and maximum 1.5 because I don't want this block to stretch less than 0.9 meters and to stretch to more than 1.5 meter. Similarly, number of grips, I just need only one grip. Okay, so we have added this linear feature. Now action is pending, so that is why this exclamation is being displayed. Let us go to actions and add action to this linear parameter. So I am taking stretch action. Now it is asking select parameter to which you want to add action. So I am taking width and then it is asking specify parameter point to associate. So this is the point I am going to use for my action. And now it is asking stretch frame. So this is the stretch frame. This much I would like to stretch. Now it is asking select objects to stretch. So these are the objects I am going to stretch and press enter. So now we have changed our normal block as dynamic block so that we can change its length from 0.9 to 1.5 meters. In the range of 0.9 to 1.5 meter, you can have any much width of the window. Now I would like to add one more feature to this. I would like to add a lookup table so that you can select 0.9 meter, 1 meter, 1.2 and 1.5, so that it will be easy for us to go to a certain size. So let us go to parameters once again and take lookup, and then it is asking specify parameter location. I am giving over here in the mid. So this lookup parameter is for size of the window, and let us add an action to this lookup parameter. Again go to actions and take lookup action. Now it is asking select parameter. So my lookup one parameter is the one to which I am going to add action. So add properties and take width parameter, then provide different widths which are to be displayed in lookup table. So I am giving 0.9 and then 1 meter and then 1.2 meter and then 1.5 meter. So I would like to give names to this also, like W1, W2, W3, W4. So these are the different windows I would like to use with same dynamic window. So say OK now. Now let us close this block editor and take save changes to dynamic window. Now if you select this block, so if you observe, you can stretch it manually like this. Okay, and it will come down to minimum value of 0.9. Let us measure this 0.9 we are getting. Less than this we cannot stretch down, and similarly if you want to go upside, you can stretch it to maximum 1.5 meter only, because for the linear parameter we have kept a maximum limit as 1.5 meter and minimum limit as 0.9 meter. Now similarly, if you want to select a particular size, you can click on this lookup table and take W1 so that it will become 0.9 meter window. Similarly, if you click on this lookup table and select W2, it will become 1 meter and then W3 as 1.2 meter. So like this, the same block can be used for 4 different sizes. You can design it to required number of sizes. So now let us try to place this block over here. So I am taking insert block and taking dynamic window, and if you click somewhere like this, say I am clicking over here, now it is of size 1.2 meter. I would like to make it 1.5 meter. So let's go to final size W4 so that its size will become 1.5 meter. Now I would like to show you one more feature. So when you are placing your window, to automatically align it with the wall line, we can have another feature like alignment option. So let us select this block, right click and go to block editor. Okay, let us place alignment parameter. So go to parameters and take alignment, and it is asking specify base point of alignment. I am clicking on the bottom left of the window. Now it is asking specify alignment direction. So again I am clicking on right side bottom right point, so that will become the angle of the window. So let us close this block editor, save changes and try to place the new block. To use this feature, we need to switch on object snap mode and make sure that object snap is on. Okay, let us try to insert a dynamic window block. Take this block, insert, and if you go on to the wall line, automatically it will align to the wall. So again insert the same block. If you go nearer to the wall line, it will automatically align to the wall. Similarly, let us try to place another block over here. So dynamic block, take insert option, and then if you go on here and click there, automatically it will be inserted, aligned to the wall. So you can also change its width like this, or you can go on to lookup and take different sizes available from the lookup table. So friends, hope you understood how to create a dynamic window block and use it in the plans. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and welcome to the next session.